there, it's Megan with WTI, and if you are looking to add a little bit of whimsy to your coffee mug collection, definitely check out this adorable coffee mug from ODIINCY. The contrast of the white with the black stripes really blends seamlessly with the design of this mug and makes it stand out even more. It would make a really cute and fun gift to give to any of my coffee loving friends. This mug gives the impression of slanting or tilting over, which kind of gives this fun optical illusion. Despite this design, this mug is super stable and easy to handle. I love the scalloped body and rim of the cup. It really makes it look so much more interesting, and it's great to drink from too. The handle on this mug is unlike any mug I've ever owned. It really adds to its uniqueness with its straight up and down style. Because it is so different, it did take me a little while to get used to it, but it is surprisingly easy to hold. I find the liquid holding capacity of this mug to be just right for a perfect cup of coffee. I am totally in love with the vintage vibes that it gives off, and it definitely appeals to my artsy side. This mug is sure to be a conversation starter for your next coffee date with friends. But that's just my point of view.